If I if the ongoing situation amidst coronavirus outbreak seems to be difficult and frightening to you, hold on, hold your breath. This is much more to it. Before getting better, the situation will get much worse than you imagine. Despite Indian government's early efforts to minimize the number of COVID-19 affects patients in the country and contain the virus, country is now on a verge to enter stage 3 of the pandemic. With a sudden spike in the number of COVID-19 positive cases in the country, we are on the borderline of the next phase where community transmission of the virus will become reality in tracking the trajectory of spread of the virus will become a nightmare. Until now, most of the people in India got infected after coming into direct contact with an affected patient or due to travel history to an affected country or Bay Area. But soon, undiagnosed and likely asymptomatic carriers of virus will start spreading the disease in huge rate. This is certainly bad news, and you consider it is a humble warning, but serious warning. This is also. And recently, we know the lady, uh, actress in from Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, Sumalata, is affected with the coronavirus positive, and this is a severe warning to everyone. She is actually living in a premises like the escape from the virus, but she is also affected. This means it's how much is fast we can understand. We have to be careful on this virus. Every 1 hour, yeah, 2 hours, you have to wash your hands very cleanly and wearing the mask while you going outside. And any hitching or anything, uh, some animals spit on a beside to you, you have to very easily, I mean, you you going to attack by coronavirus, you have to be careful. And lot of people, unknown people, also affected the virus, but actually the people is with the fear of not coming outside. This is very serious matter. Coronavirus, actually government taking lot of precaution before the lockdown, and after the lockdown is removed, while people are spreading everywhere, while I'm the person from the Indian citizen who are going to Raith Bazaar and market, vegetable market, I'm seeing the people is move very very nearly compared to old days. Like the old days, the people move very 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 carelessly. One person actually hitched beside to one person, and he is not taking care about his mouth. He is actually, some person are saying that now they are not taking care on you know themselves also. People actually not wearing the proper mask. Some people are saying we are unable to breathe. Unable to breathe. If you're not unable to breathe, someday you are going to completely going to be lost your life. It's a very serious matter. If you're not going this time, you are not going to take seriously and against to corona. One day you are going to be vanished from this world. Only one life lie, right? Whatever living with this body, you have to be take care of yourself. I'm actually one person hitching outside, and I found from far. I was warned to him. Why are taking not precautions on this one? In the front of the road, you are just spitting, hitching. Why are doing like this? That guy is got angry. He is very seriously, and actually, how much people.